So today we are going to learn how to create a bucket in S3 and how to upload our data in S3. Okay, so first of all, you need to log in on your console, and once you log in, then go to the console home, and here you need to type S3. S3 is what? It's a simple storage service. If you want to upload any data, if you want to share your data with any other one, so you can upload your data in this one. Okay, so it's a bucket service. So just type here S3 and then go to the S3 one. Click on in this one, and this will redirect you on the S3 dashboard. So right now you can see it is a store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere. So you can upload any data, you can share your data with any other one. Okay, and the Amazon S3 is also providing you the object storage service that offers industry leading scalability, availability, security, and the high performance. Okay, so if you want to check the pricing part, so you can go through with this one, AWS simple monthly calculator. Here you will get all the details which is related to the pricing part. Okay, and before starting this one, you just go through this video to get some basic detail related to the S3 one, right? And after that, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a bucket. So just click on this icon, create a bucket, and here you need to define the name. And remember, your bucket name should be a unique name, otherwise you are not able to create your bucket. Like suppose I'm going to give a name like Gen Spark. Okay, and then after I want to deploy this bucket in which region, so you can select the region. So I want to deploy my bucket in the US East North Virginia one. Scroll down here, it's object ownership. So if you want to assign the permission, so we have a two options, ACL disabled or ACL enabled. ACL means access control list. So for the security purpose, I want to enable ACL in my bucket. So click on this one, ACL enabled. Scroll down here, it will ask you the object ownership. So I want to assign full permission to the bucket owner. Okay, so bucket owner preference is there, and then scroll down here, block public access. So if you want to upload any data and you want to share that data with any other one, so you need to remove this one, otherwise no one is able to access your bucket, no one is able to open your bucket. Okay, so right now I'm going to remove this one, public block all public access. And then scroll down, and here just give the acknowledgement, yes, I want to disable this one. Okay, and then scroll now. No need to change anything on the bucket versioning. Bucket versioning is a different part. Okay, we will discuss later. And scroll down here, you can simply click on the create bucket. Once you click on this one, so it will automatically create your bucket. Now you can see my bucket is successfully created with the name of Gen Spark, and the region is what? US East North Virginia. Okay, and now I'm going to click on this one because right now my bucket is empty. So that's why it's showing no object. So what I want to upload a data, or I want to upload a file in this bucket. So what you need to do, click on the upload button and then click on the add files to upload a file or data. And here you can go to the select the any kind of, go to the downloads and select the any kind of the file. Okay, like suppose I want to upload suppose this one. Okay, I want to upload this file. Open. This is a URL. With the help of this URL, you are able to access your bucket and click on the upload button. Now you can see it's uploading successfully. My data is successfully uploaded on the bucket. Close this one. You can see my key pair names. Okay, so this is a method to upload our data on the bucket side. Okay, otherwise you can also create a notepad file. So you can see my key pair .temp is uploaded successfully. But what I want to upload one more file. So again, click on the upload button and go to the add file and go to the desktop. So here you can see I have a file, the name is ABC. I want to upload a notepad file or the text file. Click on the open button and now scroll down and then upload. So it's showing upload successfully. You can check. In my bucket, I have two files. One is the abc.txt and the another is my key pair.pem. If I want to share this file with you or with any other one, so what I need to do, click on this one, and here you will get the object URL. Okay, remember each and every file is convert as a object. Okay, so this file is known as an object. So this is a URL. With the help of this URL, you are able to access this file, or you are able to share this file with any other one. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one, copy this object, and go to the next tab, and here I'm going to paste and see what happened. I'm getting this kind of the error, access denied, because I don't have permission to access this file. So in this situation, I'm not able to read, or I'm not able to get that data. So again, go to the console side, and here you need to change the some permission. So click on the object and then go to the permission tab. This is your permission tab. This is the object permission tab. Okay, not a bucket permission. See, we have one option. 1 minute, I will show you. Go to the bucket, and in this one, if you select this one, if you click on your bucket name, so here you will get the permission tab. This is your bucket permission. If you want to change anything on the bucket side, then click on this permission tab. But if you want to change anything on the object side, then first of all click on the object, then go to the permissions tab, and here you will get the access control list. So right now you can see the object owner, it's having the permission only read and read write, but the other is hyphen is there. It means there is no any permission. So what I need to do, I need to change this one. I need to allow the public access, otherwise no one is able to read my file and no one is able to access my file. So click on the edit button, and here you can see everyone public access read and read. Okay, and scroll down, just give the acknowledgement, I understand, and save changes. Now the successfully changed. Okay, the permission is changed. Then go to the next tab, and here just refresh this page, and you can see my data is visible. So now I'm able to read the content of the file. Okay, so this is a method to change the permission on the object side, or this is a method to share your data. See, this is a URL. What is the mean of this URL? You can see, first of all, you will get the GenSpark. It is your bucket name. Then S3 Amazon AWS.com. What is this? This is your service and the domain name. This is your service name. S3 is your service name, and this is your domain name. And then after / and you will get the file name. Okay, so with the help of this one, you are able to identify your file is uploaded on the S3 site, or the another person is using the S3 service to share the data or to upload the data. So first of all, we will get the bucket name, then after service name, then Amazon AWS.com, and after that you will get the file name. Okay, and after this the task is completed, then what you need to do, just try to delete the data first. Select this one and delete. Again, here you need to give the confirmation by typing the permanent delete, or you can copy and paste and all. Now once the object is deleted, then after you will get the permission to delete the bucket. Go to the bucket, select the bucket name, click on the delete, and type the here, you need to type here bucket name, that is GenSpark, and delete. Now your bucket is successfully deleted. Remember, this is a chargeable, this is not a free one. So once your work is over, so you need to delete your object and delete your